Intimacy Anorexia, this book will literally change your life if this is what you're dealing with. If you're living with someone and you feel married and alone, if you are that someone who is too busy for their spouse, blaming them, withholding love, withholding praise, withholding spiritually, emotionally, sexually, you are going to really get a lot of help. Intimacy anorexia is a real deal. Everyone else thinks you're wonderful. You might have really good friends, but when you come home, you're disconnected, you're aloof. It's hard to get your heart consistently to your spouse. He or she's complaining of feeling alone, like we're roommates. Intimacy anorexia is something I discovered and coined working with real people in real pain in their marriage. They don't have to stay in that pain. You don't have to stay in that pain. I've seen thousands of people get better. Please get the book, get started, and if it fits you, you will really have an opportunity to change your life.